Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. I'm not gonna keep saying it. New year, new makeup. It is what it is, okay? New year, new makeup. Fight me. As you guys can tell by the title down below, I'm going to be trying out the GlamLite Paint Pro palette. This is the sequel to the huge paint palette, which I have used already in a video. It was for Instagram, so if you guys haven't checked that out, please go check that out. It was my glam Jack Skellington look for Nightmare Before Christmas, or the night before Christmas, so to say, is what I did it for. Thank you guys so much for all the love on that picture and just everybody who complimented me. And yeah, I had so much fun doing that look. Like, I love the Nightmare Before Christmas movie, and it was so much fun doing that look. So thank you guys so much for all the love on that picture and on that reel. If you have not seen the reel, it is on my Instagram as well, so check that out for sure. But anywho, so I'm going to be doing the Pro palette today, which is the more pastel looking palette. It's a smaller travel size palette compared to the bigger one. So this is what the container looks like once you open the box. So you have the smaller size palette with it's called an eyeshadow shader brush, is what they include in every set. This is not just a special edition one. This comes with every set of the palette, just like with the original paint palette. It comes with the brush on one of the flaps. And though it is a little bit lightweight, like more lightweight compared to the first one, it's not like lightweight where you don't feel like you're getting your money's worth. You definitely feel like you're getting your money's worth, even though it is a smaller travel size palette. So this is what the palette looks like. I literally just dug my finger in it by accident. I hate that. Love the shimmers in the middle, love the complementary colors. Like I said, this one is more pastel. The other ones are the more basic colors. These are kind of like the in-between shades, or the shades that are more pastel, more vibrant, more neon, those type colors. This is what the brush looks like. It's a purple brush that has the word or the brand name on it, GlamLite. 18 all new and ultra pigmented shadows or shades. So none of the shades duplicate from the first original palette. Like I said, these are kind of the in-between or the more vibrant or more pastel neon shades of the first palette. That's why it's a sequel and not exactly just a small travel size version. 100% cruelty free and vegan. So for those of you who are worried about that, there's that answer. When I fast forward through it, of course the shades will pop up below me somewhere on the screen. And yeah, hopefully this turns out right. I don't know, something's on my face. Something on my face is really missing. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay, so my overall thoughts. First of all, I was not planning to go this way. I was like, let me try to do some orange as my in my lower lash line color, because to match with the headband. And then I was like, all right, but now I want to darken the corners, and then I ended up putting the indigo in there, and then it started doing. So right now I have like a toucan, parrot, tropical, like the movie Rio on my eyes. Like, I feel like I have all of it on my eyes, but I'm absolutely in love with this palette. If you were contemplating about getting one of the paint palettes from GlamLite, get this one. The shimmers in here are trio chrome, quadruple chrome. Like, they do the most. Like, the shade on my inner corner is white. It is the shade Titanium White. And look how it is on my inner corner. Like, it's a green, it's a blue, it's a teal, it's, oh my gosh. And then and on the center of my eye are the two shades, aqua and cadmium yellow. Oh, also I did try the lip gloss from the GlamLite lip set. This is the chocolate popsicle. This is the shade Chocolate Chip, so that's what's on my lips today. I thought I might as well just try it because I knew I was going to do a new lip because I felt like the eye was going to be like the talk of the show. So I was like, I didn't want to overpower the eye with the like a bold lip, so I just kept it neutral. But yeah, I don't even know what else to say. Like, I am floored with this. Like, this one, I love the first one, but this one, especially with the shimmers, oh my gosh. And the color showed up on me. I did build up the first green, which is Viridian Green. I built that up like 3 times, and I think I built up turquoise twice. Depends on how much you want pigmentation, depends on what eyeshadow base you're using. I think the eyeshadow base I used today was the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I don't think it gets tacky like I thought it did, so that might have been on me that I had to build it up more, but it still came out very beautiful. The shades definitely show up on me, a melanated woman of color for sure, and I am super happy. As you guys can tell, like, I cannot calm down right now. Oh, by the way, with the shimmers, they do not come to play. If you use your finger, be careful because I have sparkles all over my hand. You guys probably can't see, but it looks like I have like glitter body lotion on my hands. Like, I have sparkles on my hands because I wiped it off the wrong way, so be careful. The shimmers are putty-ish, and they gotta have like chunks of micro glitter. Like, they're like I just can't even explain it. They're so amazing, and I'm in love with this look.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying.
That's all I have to say, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you guys want me to review next from my many things that I have hauled. I hope you guys really did enjoy my first impressions of the Paint Pro palette. I have reviewed, I have used the other paint palette, but this was my first time using this Paint Pro palette, and I am in love with this palette. I cannot wait to create more looks with this palette, but I know I have to get to the other stuff that I had to use as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna try to calm down and stop being conceited and look at myself in the mirror. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'm your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let me know what colors you guys want to see next on my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and bring them into the, the J crew, the J fam or whatever. I love you guys so much, and let me calm down. But I will catch you guys in my next one. Okay, I'm actually feeling myself a lot. This is really cool. But see you guys in my next one. Peace.